Yeah, these niggas be mad, cause a nigga got a purpose, yeah.
Nigga got a
I
purpose.
got a purpose, I got a purpose, yeah. 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 These niggas be mad, cause a nigga got a purpose, yeah.
What's good, YouTube and TawV Family? Back at it again. Yes, with another banger, okay? You already know what it is. You already clicked the link. You already know what's good, okay? So right now, you know we're traveling to Montego Bay. I didn't do that boring intro on how I got there. We see plenty of that in travels. In the meantime, if you want to see a couple shots that I've done, go ahead, right here. Click that link right there. That's my TikTok. Check it out, okay? In the meantime, let's go ahead and get there, okay? Yes! That's much. Almost just knocked the camera out. We back at it again with another video. My bad, it's not the vlog that I thought it was gonna be, but it's gonna be a vlog today. Went out to Grill, Jamaica. I'm still in Jamaica, man. You hear my voice, partied the whole time, okay? So we out here turn. So I do want y'all to sit back and relax. I did give y'all some content. I want to just share with y'all some videography and some photography. I'm trying to learn. You know, anybody got any pointers, please point them out down below. I'll take any advice that will help me out. You know what I'm saying? I'm very open-minded. Sorry about that noise. We got the tub going right now. I'm gonna show y'all that jet tub. Woo. Yeah, boy. But anyway, make a long story short, I'm not to make this intro long, so let's go ahead and get into the video for today. Let's get it.
Never loved somebody as much as I love him. He is like the sweetest, kindest, most gentle, most genuine, just everything about him. I mean, it sets my skin on fire.